In this video we're gonna show how to end a run when 100 paths or any number of paths have been produced by defining, if you're going to create, it has an infinite value as a maximum arrival, as well as if you go to run setup, it has an infinite value as a replication length. So how we gonna stop the system running when 100, for example, parts have been produced? Or what you have to do, so now we have a process, and we have to use record in a way to use it as a count, and to plus 1 every time an entity has been produced. So if you go to the 6 counter, and we're gonna do it as 100, but it always count to -1. If it is 199, to stop at 99. If it is 101, to stop at 100 being produced. So I go to basic process, advanced process, statistics. The statistics, we have two parts: statistical 1, which is counter, we're stopping at 101, and statistical 2, which is the output expression T now, the time to produce the 100 units. So if we run this program, and replication S is equal to 1. So I'm gonna show you one thing. If we run this program, and I'm gonna, so it requires 853.7181 for it to produce. So if you open the report and the user specified, so we have the counter when this is the number of units to produce, and it takes 853.72. Okay, so if you close this and you come back to run replication parameters, I put it to 5, and we run it 5 times. So let's see the time needed to produce all those units. Okay, so by saying yes, display the result. So we're in here and we do the user specified, and we have the counter and the user specified. So you could see here time to produce over, like, the minimum per 5 replications, the minimum is 739, the maximum is 853, and the average is at 812, and here we put the average. Okay, so if I'm gonna close this, if we say the number of replications, put it back to 10, and we apply this and we run it, and I'm gonna put it a little bit faster, and yes, display the result. So we go into the user specified, and the same, we have like the minimum, the maximum, and the time between the two. So this is the time needed to produce this amount of unit. If you have a question, I left my email address in the box below, so just email me. Thank you.